Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Zoha and today I welcome you to another episode of Cooking with Zoha. So today I'm going to make puffed rice chivda or Murmura chivda. To make this chivda, we will need 100 grams puffed rice, that is murmura, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few curry leaves, 1 small onion thinly sliced, 1 handful of peanuts, 3 green chillies chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Heat a vessel, add oil, now add mustard seeds, let it crackle. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add cumin seeds, let it crackle. Now add thinly sliced onions, fry until soft. Now add handful of peanuts, fry until well done. Now add few curry leaves, keep stirring. Add chopped green chillies, fry for few seconds. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then add salt as per taste. Mix well. Then add puffed rice, that is murmura. Mix everything until well combined. Now add 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix well until well combined. Enjoy making and eating. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try and leave a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like my videos, smash that like button and I'll see you the next time. Bye!